a level 100 become accounting student presenting for Group 5. We embarked on a project at Abra and met a sole trader called Mami Esi Donko, who does not keep proper books of accounts. We managed to help her open final account of a sole trader. So my colleagues will take you through the final account we opened for her.
Okay, so we confronted Mami Esi and asked her why she doesn't keep proper books of account. Mami Esi told us that because she didn't go to school, she doesn't know anything about accounting. And again, she told us that she feels it's expensive to go and buy books due to a profit margin. She feels it's expensive to waste money on that. And lastly, she told us that it's time consuming. So we managed to go through her exercise book and we found this account from her books. So my colleagues will continue from here.
Okay. After confronting Mami Esi Donko, she made us understand that she has the following assets and liabilities in her books. On 19 June 2023, she has stocks of goods that was 7,000 and premises where she sells her things that was 10,000 Ghana cedis, and furniture that was 1,000 Ghana cedis, loan 10,000 Ghana cedis, debtors that's 100 Ghana cedis, and cash in hand that's 5,000 Ghana cedis.
The following also took place within the week. We have cash drawn is 200 cedis, cash withdrawn 500 cedis, withdrawal for sand 200 cedis, interest paid on loan was 50 cedis, carriage at first was 20 cedis, wrapping expenses was 20 cedis, daily wages at 50 works 250 Ghana cedis, payment to suppliers was 300 cedis, received from debtors 100 cedis, bought new furniture that with 500 cedis, cash purchases 7,800, electricity bill paid 200 cedis, traveling expenses was 300 cedis.
Okay, these cash sales took place within the week. On Monday, 2,300, Tuesday, 1,900, Wednesday, 1,990, Thursday, 2,400, Friday, 2,700, and the total sales were 11,290. Also, we have debtors as at 23rd June to be 700. Creditors 2,500. Inventory as at that day 5,000. No depreciation is charged on any of the assets.
To ascertain her opening capital, we needed to find a statement of affairs as at 19th June 2023. So as at that date, her assets and liabilities were as follows. Now we have premises 10,000, furniture 1,000, inventory of goods 7,000, receivables, that's debtors 100 cedis, then cash 5,000 cedis, and the total of the assets were 23,100, and also the liabilities are loan, creditors, loan and creditors, and the loan balance was 10,000, and also the creditors figure was 1,500. So the total liabilities amounted to 11,500. So taking out the liabilities from her asset, we had an opening capital of 11,600.
To ascertain her credit sales, we prepared a debtors control account. The opening balance of her debtors figure was 100 cedis, and she received a cash of 100 cedis. The closing balance of her debtors figure was 700 cedis. So in balancing of the account, we had a difference of 700 cedis, which became the credit sales. To ascertain the credit purchases for the year, we have to prepare the creditors control account. So she was having a credit balance which was 1,500, and she paid the cash 300 cedis. And the closing creditors balance was 2,500. So we balanced off the account, and we had a difference of 1,300, and the 1,300 became a credit purchases.
To ascertain the cash balance, you have to open a cash account, and you have the receipt side and the payment side. The receipt side, you have the balance of 5,000 Ghana cedis, and you have a receivable of 100 cedis. The cash sales made for the week was 11,290. Go to the credit side, that's the payment. You have drawings to be 200 cedis. Some school fees was also 200 cedis. We have loan interest was 50 cedis. We bought a new furniture that was 500 cedis. Those who helped her to carry things in was carried outward, that was 20 cedis. Wrapping was also 20 cedis. Wages, those who worked for her was also 250 cedis. We had a budget of 7,800. We have a creditors to be 300 cedis. We have electricity bills as 200 cedis. We have traveling expenses to also be 300 cedis. To balance out the account, we have the balance brought down as 6,550. This is how we are able to determine a cash balance.
Okay, so at this point, we want to determine the net profit he had within the week. So this is the statement of profit or loss account as at 23rd June 2023. So you took the sales, that's 11,990 cedis, and you want to ascertain the cost of sales. So you took opening inventory, that is 7,000. We added the purchase, that is 8,600, and we got 15,600. Then we left the closing inventory, that is 5,000, and we had the cost of sales to be 10,600. So we deducted it from our sales, and we had 13,000. We had 1,390 cedis at our gross profit. And now this is our operating expenses, that means the expenses within the week. So loan interest of 50 cedis, carried outward of 20 cedis, wages of 250 cedis, electricity bills of 200 cedis, traveling expenses to be 300 cedis, wrapping expenses to be 20 cedis. All the operating expenses became 840 cedis, and we subtracted it from our gross profit to get a net profit of 550 cedis. That is it.
This is the statement of financial position for Mami Esi Donkor as at 23rd June 2023. As at that date, her non-current assets were premises and was the furniture, and no depreciation was charged on any of the non-current assets. So of the non-current assets, we have the premises at cost 10,000 and furniture 1,500. And since no depreciation was charged on it, their net book value would be the cost that we bought them. That's 10,000 and 1,500 for the premises and the furniture respectively. Also, her current assets were the closing inventory, that's 5,000, and trade receivable was 700, and also cash at hand was 6,550. So the current liabilities also was trade payables, that's 2,500. So summing up her non-current assets, we had 11,500, and also the current asset we had 12,250. Sorry. Then we take out the current liability, that the trade payables, that's 2,500 from the current asset 12,250, and we had a working capital of 9,750. So adding the working capital to the non-current assets, we had a total of 21,250 as a net asset. Then also the finance by, we have the capital as at the beginning, that's as at 19th June 2023. Summing up her capital, her assets, then we less out the liabilities. We had 11,600. Then the net profit that we ascertained was 550. So summing the two, we had 12,150. Then we take out the goods that she took for her personal use, that's 900. And the loan also was 10,000. So making a total of 21,250 as a capital employed. The account to be prepared was a statement of financial position and also the income statement of Mami Esi Donkor, a sole trader at Abra Market who doesn't keep proper records of her business. So as business students from UCC, that's University of Cape Coast, from the business department, that's accounting to be specific, we help her in determining her net profit and also her total assets. Because she doesn't keep proper records of her business, she finds it very difficult to determine her net profit and also her total assets. So as a result, I would like to urge you all to always keep a good records of your business so as to facilitate easy determination of your profit and also to detect fraud and to improve upon your businesses. Thank you.